Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, January 18th, and today I am so excited to share with you the Riley Blake Door Banner of the Month program. Now, if you've been a fan of Riley Blake for a while, you know last year they did the bench pillows, the year before that was table toppers, the year before that was square pillows, and this year they have these great door hangers. So if you create a little pocket or a way to hang these on your door, you have one for every month. So I'm starting with April because this is the first one that will be shipping to us, and we expect this any day now. And then they ship one per month. So as the months progress, we'll be getting May. And all of these quilts were meticulously and beautifully made by our own staff members. So we got little advanced kits so that we could make them to share with you. Here's June. And you can order one, you can order two, you can order 12. And we are taking pre-orders for all of them now. We only got, I think, 12 kits of each one. So if you see one that you like, even if it's not going to get here for a while, you will want to go ahead and place that pre-order because it's not going to be here forever. This one is my absolute favorite. This is September, back to school. Then we have October. They're also a really nice size. So if you had a smaller hallway or a place that had just a little area to hang, maybe in your kitchen, this is also a great idea for maybe not doors, maybe another area. There's Christmas or December. Then we have January, which it sort of feels like this outside this week. Here in North Carolina, it is unreasonably cold in our world anyway. Here is February. And then here is March. And March will be shipping in maybe December of this year. So if you place a pre-order, don't worry if we can't send it to you right away because they only send the kits to us once a month. But we would be happy to hold them for you or go ahead and take pre-orders for anything that you like that you see here. I hope you guys have a great afternoon and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.